I am honored to receive Lumisphere Experience here at the iconic Museum of Tomorrow in Rio de Janeiro to bring you and your family to expand your imagination.
Eu participei 3 vezes da experiência, já que tinha ingresso hoje no primeiro dia.
Experiencia que nos ayuda a reflexionar acerca del cuidado que debemos de tener con el medio ambiente y cómo debemos empezar a pensar y a crear ideas para un futuro más sostenible.
Te ayuda a reflexionar y a tratar de ser mejor para tener un mundo saludable y hermoso.
You know, we want everyone to have a space to envision their own ideal paradise, you know, and it's different for each one of us. Each one of us has a different world that we would like to see, and there should be room for that.
I'm Elizabeth Thompson. I'm the Executive Director of the Lumisphere Experience, and we are here to launch the international premiere of the Lumisphere Experience here in Rio at the fantastic Museum of Tomorrow. Over the next 11 weeks, we want to welcome everybody to come to the Lumisphere and share their hopes and dreams for the future.